Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna have another video for you guys today on the Apple Watch. So before I get into this video, I'd like you, if you would appreciate if you could go head on down below, hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you get notified when I have another upload on my channel. Okay, so as you can see, I have in front of me two set of watch bands. So you can see this is the one that came with the Apple Watch inside the package, and this is the one that I bought separate at the store. Alright, so this is the rubber one, the rubberized one that came from Apple inside the box, as you can see here. Let me open this, have a look. So you have the large size and you have a smaller size here. Okay, and this is the one that, so you have this one at the bottom is a small, and this is a medium to large. As you can see, the size is marked on the package here next to the bands. All right, so for me, the rubber, I'm not really a fan of these watch bands, especially putting them on and taking these off. You gotta pull them through and snap. For me, that's a hassle sometimes. I'd rather have something more convenient and easy and quicker to put on. So I went ahead and I got some bands for this. So as you can see, this is the one with the Velcro. So it snaps on really easy on your hand. You take it off really quick. And this soft band here, it's way cooler on your hands. It doesn't sweat too much as for like the rubber ones here, and feels more comfortable on the hand. So here you can see on the box, this is a Nike version of the watch band, and it's the original one, the Apple one, you can see here. Alright, so this is a gray Nike sport watch band with the Velcro. Alright, and this is the 44mm, as you can see here on the box. There we go, 44mm. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap this on so you can see. Let me put this on. So as you can see, I put one end in the Apple Watch right here. Boom, that snaps in. Then I'm gonna come around and install the other end right here. So the way you put this in, there's a slot on the watch here at the bottom. You just pull this right in there until it snaps. Alright, and then to remove, there's a little release clip under here that you press like this, and you just pull it right out like this. You put your finger on the clip, and then you're gonna pull the watch band until it comes right out. Alright, so you just press and it releases. So you push this in, you press the button, and it releases. So you can either go left or right with the band when you're taking it out. Alright, so as you can see, comes right out when you press the clip, and you just push it back in. Alright, so see how easy this goes on. You just put it on your hand like this, push it through, then boom, just pull it through the watch here, and you snap it like this, and that's it. That's it. Just keep locking. Simple as that. The other one, you gotta pull it through and then put that clip right in. And to me, I prefer this one. This one is cooler as well. It doesn't get as hot and sweaty as the other one. Alright, and you can see the Velcro looks really nice, feels more comfortable on the hand, way softer, and looks better to me. Alright, so if you're trying to replace your watch bands and not sure which one to get, I would definitely recommend this one. They have them in different colors. The color choice is up to you, but as far as the design and the material, I definitely recommend this one. Alright, so that's just a quick video, and thank you for watching. Remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, and remember to comment, like, and share. Okay, peace.